Hey everybody, it's Ian Schwartz, and today I want to show you the best yoga postures for the digestion. If you already ate something, for example, grape, so then if you want to sleep, the best posture for the sleep will be something like this. The main thing is that you should be on your left side, but if you will lay down on your right side, so then you will disturb your organs' comfort. If you will sleep like this, it will be much worse. The worst posture for the digestion is laying down on your right side. But in the same time, on the left side is okay, you can sleep like this. But after food, if you already ate something, for example, ginger, for example, milk, so then after food, you should spend at least 3 hours with your spine erect. It doesn't matter which kind of food do you eat, but after the food, there is a very good posture called Vajrasana. This is the best posture for the digestion. You can sit in this posture, read something in your phone, watch some videos, work. Once again, it doesn't matter what, but if you will sit in such a posture for some time after the food, you will see that digestion process will be much faster. So how to do this? You need 4 fingers gap between your knees, and also your big toes should be touching but not overlapping. You can practice this posture after the food or a few hours after the food or during the day, it doesn't matter when, but this posture will increase the speed of your digestion. Now it is the end of the video and I wish you good digestion. So if the video was useful, please like it, maybe some comments, and see you in the next video.